So now let's talk solutions. And we have learned how the skills gap is influencing the manufacturing industry. And in order to address that, we have come up with a product shelf called Operator Education. And in that category, we are offering products that are delivering an ultra-realistic training experience for digital natives. And it's also helping companies to eliminate the risk of damaging costly production equipment. Another way of addressing the skills gap is the so-called intuitive programming category. And in that category, we are offering programming tools that are easy to use, that are touch-based, and they also offer a lot of recipes and intelligence which is already integrated into the system so that it will guide an operator through the programming experience. And all of that is helping also to address digital natives again.